Hi friends, it's Whistle. Today, our friends are going for a walk deep in the forest. I wonder what animal friends they'll meet. Let's follow them.
Let's go for a walk deep in the forest today.
Great. Sounds good.
What's that sound? Look, a duck.
Wow, a duck. Hello, duck.
D, duck. D, duck.
Wow, what a big sound. A big elephant.
So big. An elephant. Hello. E, elephant. E, elephant.
Look, a hopping frog.
A green frog. So cute. F, frog. F, frog.
Meeting new friends is so much fun. We met 3 amazing animals today. Great job, everyone. See you next time. Bye-bye.
We met many friends. Duck, elephant, frog.
Bye,
Bye,
friends.
friends.